Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a lineup of contemporary modular homes with floor plans that I've never seen before. It's almost shocking how many different designs and layouts of factory-built homes are currently available, and it seems like there's more companies entering the market all the time. Because there is. It has to be a bit overwhelming for buyers right now because the options are almost endless. In an effort to hopefully help people narrow down their search, I've been looking at what I think are some of the coolest options available, and every time I think I've covered everything worth covering, there's so much more. The thing is, there are many fascinating companies and concepts right now that I really don't even think I've scratched the surface. The company I'm talking about today is called Meka Modular, and they're committed to providing exceptional value while building faster with superior quality. Hard to argue with that. What I'm going to do is tell you a bit about who they are, look at what I think are their finest models, and get into their pricing. So let's do it. Meka Modular is based in San Jose, California, and specializes in contemporary homes that allow for maximum functionality for the space provided. Their goal is to provide superior, environmentally sound living and workspaces. They've been kicking it since 2009 and deliver homes to all 50 states and up here into Canada. It says on their website that each module they build has to be able to withstand earthquakes, high winds, floods, and heavy snow loads. Definitely what you want to hear as a consumer, and I get a lot of comments about high winds, but I'm curious what they mean about withstand floods. It seems to me a home either floods or it doesn't. Maybe they mean it won't get swept away. They have a lineup of 13 homes starting at 160 square feet all the way up to almost 2,000 square feet. And if they don't have what you're looking for, don't panic. They'll build you a custom plan. A home from Meka Modular is estimated to take around 6 months from start to finish, but that timeline could definitely be stretched right now given the current market conditions. They're continuing to innovate new modular construction and assembly techniques to create better value for their customers. They believe they can make a difference in creating a more sustainable world and create a product that is stronger, faster, and superior. Let's check out a few of my favorites. The first plan that caught my eye is the Soul 480. As the name suggests, this home is 480 square feet with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. This is a neat little floor plan that's 20 feet wide by 24 feet long that has all the essentials covered. The Soul 480 is a perfect example of the contemporary style Meka is known for, which I am definitely a fan of. I really like the color of their show model, but if it was for me, I would probably switch out the white trim for black. For a very compact home, I like what they've done with this layout. The design has one half the living space, including kitchen and living room, and the other half has the bedroom and bathroom. In the model shown, they've added a stacking washer dryer in the bedroom and taken out the wall between the bedroom and bathroom, which exposes the back side of the shower that's been frosted for privacy. I think the show model has been done extremely well, and that will appeal to a lot of people because it's different, but call me old-fashioned, I'd opt for the wall to close out the bathroom. The home has a compact kitchen which has everything you need and would definitely be more than enough for a guy like me who isn't whipping up much more than microwave nachos. What I like best about this home is it's small, but not too small. It has everything required for 1 or 2 people and has clearly defined spaces, so there is the ability to be in separate spaces when needed. For example, if a couple bought it and one person works from home and the other likes to sleep in, that's available in the Soul 480. I posted a poll on the community section of my channel last week, and only 7% of the people who voted said that under 500 square feet would be the ideal size for them, so let's look at something a little bigger. The most popular size range in the poll by a landslide victory with over 50% of the votes was 500 square feet to 1,500 square feet, so let me show you the Zion. The Zion is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that's 1,280 square feet. This floor plan is brand new to me, and I like the design they came up with. It has 2 distinct sections or wings that serve a specific purpose. One side of the home has the bedrooms, bathrooms, and powder room, which is just a fancy word for half bathroom, and the other half is living space. The living space half of the home flows living room, dining room, kitchen into a utility room and entrance. Typically, I do prefer split floor plans where the bedroom is on the other side of the home, but in the right location for the right people, I think this could be perfect. I don't know much about California other than what I learned on a trip to Disneyland in 1993, but this seems like a perfect California house to me, if that makes sense. You build a nice deck wrapping around between both sides of the house to enjoy some outdoor time, and you're ready to go. The only thing I'm not certain on is what would be used for the main entrance on the Zion. Guess it depends on the lot and how you've got the home situated. What I like best about this home is both of the bedrooms have an ensuite. That's a nice perk for whoever was never going to be a contender for the main bedroom. They're getting an upgrade. Let me know what you think of this plan, and while you do that, I'll get going on the final home of the day. The final plan of the day is the Santa Cruz 1920, and this is yet another cool home. I really like homes that take this U-shaped layout to make a courtyard type area in the middle. Not sure why I like them so much, but I do. It reminds me of the Breeze House 2100 from Blue Homes. They're similar, but different. What I like about this style of home is how you get the courtyard effect in the backyard with doors coming off of 2 of the bedrooms on the ends and doors off of the living room and dining room. As far as split floor plans go, they don't get much more split than this. You'll be lucky if all the bedrooms even have the same area code with bedroom wings on either end of the home. The main bedroom has a walk-in closet and an ensuite and shares the wing with bedroom 2. On the opposite end of the home, there are 2 more bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a utility room with a side entrance and closet space. Through the middle of the home is where they've located the living room, kitchen, dining room, and main entrance. Again, Meka Modular with another unique plan. I would like to tour this home in person to see what it looks and feels like in real life. What I like best about this home is I feel like it's an entertainer's dream. If you're the type that likes to entertain, which I am not, I feel like this place might be a good fit. You've got the living room, dining room, courtyard, and a bunch of bedrooms for kids or if your friends decide to have an adult sleepover. The question on everyone's mind always comes back to how much, so let's take a quick look at their pricing. Their base prices include all interior finishes, however do not include appliances, so that is something that will have to be handled by customers after the home arrives. It's stated on the website that the base prices include shipping the modules to location, but I'm thinking there has to be a limit on how far they'll ship without an extra charge. Maybe not, which would make the people in Alaska very happy. The Soul has a base price of $114,000, the Zion comes in at $248,000, and the Santa Cruz $412,000 at the time of recording this video. These are cost estimates given on their website, but they do require a proper site plan and project verification before locking in the final price. A good place to start though. All things considered, out of the 3 options, I really like the Soul 480. Meka Modular is building contemporary modular homes to service all 50 states and up into Canada and will build to the code requirements of wherever the home is going to. I think they have some really cool designs that people who like the modern look, like myself, will be excited about. If you want to find out more about Meka Modular, I will post a link in the description below so you can go check out their website. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.